Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock your screen on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. And of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, the upgrade or the installation of Windows 11 will not delete any personal files or documents or apps for you, so don't worry about the upgrade in this side. And of course, you can run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And of course, once the download or the installation finished, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. Of course, once you do that, you will find your Windows 11 ready to use. And of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. Maybe if you're facing some issues with your Windows 11, which is most likely not to happen, or maybe you'd like to go back into your Windows 10. Of course, you will have the recovery point to go back whenever you want. But I suggest to stay on Windows 11 because you will like it even more, especially when you get used to it. So as we said in the beginning of the video is we would like to lock your screen on the Windows 11. So of course it's simple if you want to lock your screen. Of course there's this simple shortcut which is the Windows L. So if you click on it, as you can see that normally locks my screen. Of course I can open it just right now whenever I want. For you the screen went like black, but it's actually locked your screen. You can try it by your own. And of course, if you have a password, you can just go and type it out so you can open your PC again. But if you don't have a password, you can just go and double press on your enter or space and it will open your PC directly. So I guess that will be it. That will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and goodbye.